Hello and welcome to our channel. I am Tamil your business coach. Today we are going to delve into the comprehensive guide on mastering affiliate marketing. Whether you are a beginner or looking to refine your approach, this guide is designed to arm you with the knowledge and strategies for success in this dynamic field of affiliate marketing. Let's dive in.
1. Understanding affiliate marketing, a comprehensive introduction. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where a business rewards one or more affiliates for each visitor or customer brought by the affiliate's marketing efforts. It's a powerful way to generate online revenue and has grown significantly with the rise of digital marketing. 2. The role of affiliate marketing in today's digital landscape. In today's digital landscape, affiliate marketing plays a crucial role. It allows brands to extend their reach, affiliates to generate income by promoting products they love, and consumers to discover new products through trusted voices. 3. The key benefits of affiliate marketing for businesses. Affiliate marketing brings many benefits to businesses. It's cost-effective as you pay only for results, it extends your marketing reach, and it can help you gain valuable insights into customer behavior, among other benefits. 4. How to start with affiliate marketing, a step-by-step guide. To start with affiliate marketing, you first need to choose your niche. Then, research and join affiliate programs that fit your niche. Create great content, drive traffic to your affiliate site, and optimize for conversions. 5. Top successful affiliate marketing strategies to adopt. Successful affiliate marketing strategies include SEO, content marketing, email marketing, influencer marketing, and leveraging social media. Remember, it's all about providing value to your audience. 6. Affiliate marketing networks to consider in 2023. There are numerous affiliate marketing networks to consider in 2023. Some top choices include Amazon Associates, Share Hustle, Commission Junction, ClickBank, Rakuten Advertising, Impact, Avam, and Pepayam. 7. Mistakes to avoid in affiliate marketing, a beginner's guide. Avoid common mistakes like promoting too many products, ignoring SEO, failing to disclose affiliate relationships, not tracking results, expecting immediate results, neglecting high-quality content, and not engaging with your audience. 8. Maximizing earnings, best practices in affiliate marketing. To maximize your earnings, choose the right products, provide value to your audience, promote authenticity. Diversify your affiliate products, optimize your content for SEO, leverage email marketing, and be patient. 9. Case study, real-life success stories in affiliate marketing. Success stories can provide inspiration and valuable insights on the journey to becoming a successful affiliate marketer. Here are a couple of examples. 1. The Wirecutter. The Wirecutter started as a small blog by Brian Lam, a former editorial director at Gizmodo. The website provided detailed, exhaustive reviews of consumer electronics and gadgets, recommending the best products in each category. The Wirecutter grew steadily in popularity due to its high-quality content and trustworthy reviews. 2. Pat Flynn's Smart Passive Income. Pat Flynn is another notable figure in the affiliate marketing world. After being laid off from his job in 2008, he created a website called Smart Passive Income to share his journey of building an online business. Flynn offers a transparent look at his income and where it comes from, with a significant portion often coming from affiliate marketing. These stories showcase different paths to success in affiliate marketing. Some key takeaways include: as for the subscribe message, you could use something like this. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and turn on notifications to stay updated with our latest content. We'll be exploring more topics to help you master affiliate marketing, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching.